Have you misplaced your American lottery confirmation number? If yes, then don't panic at all. You are not alone. I'll show you the exact steps to follow to recover your code in a few minutes. Remember, if you win, you need the code to confirm whether you've won or not. I have a friend, let's call him Kwame. Kwame applied for the American lottery, and Kwame was so excited that he's going to live his American dream. Kwame started learning some American accent. He started like, yo bro, pass me some fries bro. Out of excitement, he even printed a confirmation number and kept it on their dining table. His junior sister took the paper, and without reading what was on the paper, he served Kwame some kelewele on the paper. As Kwame was enjoying his delicious kelewele, he got to realize that the paper was where his confirmation code was. He immediately threw the kelewele away and checked to see if he can recover his confirmation code. But unfortunately for him, the oil covered it and he couldn't recover it again. Kwame became so frustrated to the point that Kwame even fainted. And if you are Kwame and you are watching me, please do not faint yet, because your American dream can still come true. A lot of people, after applying for the DV lottery, some people write it on paper, some print it out, some even take screenshots, some save it on their Gmails. Perhaps you save it on your phone and you can't find your phone again. Maybe your phone got stolen or spoiled and you couldn't recover it again. Or you gave your phone to one little boy at the corner, maybe your son, your daughter, your junior brother, or any random person, and the person mistakenly deleted everything from the phone. Or even, it might even be your own fault where you mistakenly deleted it. Don't panic at all. A day for you. Before I start the tutorial, one thing you need to know, or better again, one thing you ought to know, is that without the code, they are not going to send you an email even if you win. This is what I'm trying to say. So let's say you won, but you haven't checked, or you've misplaced your code, you don't know how to check, and you won. There's no way, if they are sending emails to the people that won, they are going to send you that email. So make sure to stick with me to the end of this video to make sure that you recover your code. And after recovering, I know that a lot of people are going to win, and you are one of them. I have my laptop here with me, and I have my mobile phone here with me. For the days ahead, I'll be doing a lot of vivid and step-by-step tutorials. Let me know, should I use the laptop for the incoming tutorials, or I should use my mobile phone? But I'll be doing a lot of videos like how to book an appointment, how to apply for your own insurance, how to book a flight, and many more. How to search for schools and jobs. Should I be using my laptop or my mobile phone? Let me know your suggestion in the comment section. Even though for this tutorial, I'll be using my mobile phone for it to be simple for a lot of people. Let's get straight into business. I welcome you once again to my mobile phone. To do this is very simple. Go to your browser or your mobile phone or on your computer and type dvlottery.state.gov. Something like this should pop up on your interface. You tap on it directly. You should have something like this popping up on your screens. Tap on the first one which says US Department of State into bracket Gov. You tap on it. It will load a little bit, and something like this should pop up on your interface. Gently scroll down. If you want, you can read these things they've written, but today our focus is not on that. Go ahead and tap on this blue button where they've written check your status. You tap on it, it will load, and something like this should also pop up on your screens. And as it says, welcome Akwaba. All right, we are not here to read these things right here, but then let's read the entrance title check instructions. So one of the instructions is, it says that please be sure to have the entrance confirmation number, your last family name, year of birth to check your status. So I hope at least everybody knows their their last family name they also know their date of birth. Obviously you should know your date of birth. So without wasting much time, you go ahead to tap on continue. So when you tap on continue, to bring you to this interface. So when it brings you here, if you have your confirmation code, you enter your confirmation code, you enter your last family name, you come here and enter year of birth, and when you come here, you enter the authentication and you submit. These are for people who still have their confirmation number, but if you do not have your confirmation number, don't worry. That is why I'm making this video for you. You scroll back again, just below where you are supposed to enter your confirmation number, you see a blue writing which is written forgot confirmation number. Go ahead and gently tap on it. It will bring you to this interface, and this is what it says. It says to retrieve a confirmation number, the primary entrance information must be verified. So you are supposed to enter the year that you registered, and when you scroll down here, at least if you did the application and you've forgotten your confirmation code, you should at least know your name. You enter your last family name right here. Let's say my name is Mabel. Good one. You come down here, you ask of your first name. Let's say my first name is Sefako. What am I writing? That is a beautiful romantic airway name. Middle name, if you have middle name, cool. If you don't have middle name, fine. Let's enter a middle name like Bim. Bim. This is for tutorial sake. So over here you enter your date of birth. This is on the 12th, that's December. You enter 5th. You come down here, you enter the year. I was born in the 1980. That's my age. You can see I'm not be your size. I grew up as some of you, your papa. When you come here, this is a very important information right here. It says that you should enter your email address. It is very mandatory for you to enter that email address. If you don't have the email address, then I don't know any other way you can receive your confirmation code, because that is where they are going to send you an email to send you a different confirmation number to that email. So make sure that the email you use to register, or the connection man used to register, you can retrieve that email and continue the process. So over here you enter your email. You can enter any type of email at all, at something .com. That's my email. Yes, you can copy it and email me. So right down here, which is the final part, you now enter your authentication. So it says UW88. If you are in glasses and you can't see, let somebody help you with it, or if you are a little bit confused, let somebody help you with the authentication. After you enter the authentication with it, it is UW88. Very simple, right? Then you go ahead to tap on submit, and you are done just like that. It's very, very simple. Don't go and pay money for somebody to do it for you. Among all of this, the most important things you ought to, or you need to have, is the email. And when you have the email, you are safe, because they will send you a different confirmation number directly into your inbox. Take note of it. You can come down here and read all this stuff. Today our video is not about it. They even have a PDF where you can download it and read the terms and conditions and every single information about the diversity visa lottery. All the best, and it is my prayer and I hope that everybody that applied win, even though everybody cannot win. See you on the other side. Thank you for sticking with me to the end of this video. If you found value in this content, do well to subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification bell, support us by leaving a comment under the comment section, like this video and share it to somebody who might also need it. Anyway, which way, my name is Jakut, and this is the Jakut Junction, where we simplify immigration and travel into simplicity for you to have a vivid understanding of whatever we are talking about. And as usual, I am out.